Guys, we just checked into our room and I didn't get to show you the room actually. Now we had to leave early. I just got a little freshen up, washed my face. All that. There's some place here called Froth and Talk, so we're going there right now. Yeah, this is a place. It's a pub. Sanitizers everywhere, man. Camera is not clean also.
Bro, you saw yesterday. It's so good.
Well, we met one of Siddhant's friends. Sure. Acha, remove your mask, please. Hello.
Hi,
Can you introduce yourself?
I'm Aditya.
Aditya from Coimbatore.
Yeah.
He studies here in Manipal itself. Thank you. Guys, we just finished with this place here. Froth on Top. A lot of plans, man, right now. There's some glowing beach where his friends are saying, it happens maybe once in. Macha, how often does the beach glow? So what happens is the beach naturally glows, okay? So due to some current that flows through the algae. Tell it, na?
It's some glowing algae or something. It glows, the algae glows, okay? So the current brings it, I don't know how many years once or something.
I've seen the pictures, man. Crazy. He's told me that, it stays for a week or something. So there's a fifth day. I hope it still stays. No, bro?
Yeah.
I really hope it still stays. So just coming to the hotel, let's change and leave fast. A lot of plans today. Anyways. I haven't shown you the room also as well. Which place? Sai International Hotel, right? Sarah International Hotel. Bro, proud when you have the room keys, the card with you here. Open. It's a small room. No, nice room. Clean. We want it clean. That's the most important part of getting any rooms. So very small. You see, there's the washroom there. There's a small TV. Beds, twin beds. Macha, when are we going to the pub after the beach? 11 o'clock or something. Yes, guys, we're leaving to the beach. Freshened up, just wore some clothes also. Got my jacket on. Maybe it might get cold in the night. Who knows? Okay. This is actually blue. My god, this is so nice, man. But you can see a little bit of blue. Dude, this is so nice. It's actually nice. I don't know if it's more blue the other way. I'll just try and show. Man, crazy. Shit. I'll just take you closer, we'll see.
It shows what Manipal is.
Shows what Manipal. That's what he wants me to show. He wants to show me, sorry. And we've taken an auto actually. We don't want to come back. We don't want to drive back. Because you know why? Because listen. 1 second. So what I've done is I've striked a conversation.
It's the best!
I actually spoke to them regarding, why it's so hard to strike conversation with random people. Siddhant, come here, bro. Hey,
Bitch, come here!
do come, bro.
Nice vlog, bro.
So
It's dark.
I met a lot of people, man. This is crazy. This is nice.
Hello.
So this is my friend Siddhant. We are from the same place as well.
Oh, okay.
And he was studying with me in Christ, and right now he's studying in Manipal. Guys, the music here is crazy, okay? Like, I've tried to connect with a lot of people, but most of them are high actually. Not me. So I think what I'll do is right now, it's actually a little dark in here. But I think I want to go to random tables and ask, how do you find life? Oh, what were you talking about? Tell me, bro. Tell me.
Let's go.
How's life in Manipal, bro?
Manipal is amazing, brother. Woo!
These people are actually showing me. Thank you. Guys can give a reaction regarding how is life in Manipal?
Fucking lit!
What are you guys doing?
I will be drinking inside.
You're drinking.
I'm MBBS.
You're MBBS. What are you
I'm
doing?
speech hearing.
speech engineering.
Yeah.
What are you doing?
Occupational.
It's not the time actually. The right time.
Have I spoken to you? I did that. So these are the people you get in Nepal. What have you got to say? Thanks, man. You, Macha. How's life in Manipal?
It's good. It's good.
Yeah, exactly. Because you came and you were like, hey, listen, I'm a YouTuber. This is what I do. And I get that.
What's your name?
My name is Shreya.
You're not up for any intention. Just saying.
Like where you are, if you speak, like suppose someone's saying something and you kind of overhear what they're saying, if you just go up and say, oh yeah, you know, the same thing happened with me, it's easy to, you know, like, get up a conversation.
Okay. Another thing is, like, I came and spoke to your people the first, right? So, what is the first impression? What do you think of me?
You?
Yes.
Uh,
Guys, we are back at the hotel right now. It's crazy scenes, you know. I just want to talk to a lot of people. One second, this door is closed. Yeah. So we went to this place, and for initially there were not a lot of people actually. So later on, a lot of people actually came into this place, and I think, you know, talking to new people, making new contacts, and approaching random people, it makes a difference in your life, right?
We'll wait for them here.
Come, sit down. Walking from the place, man, we didn't find any auto. We didn't want to take a car, and went to each step. It was too dark also, so we went to each place, and we connected with a lot of people, man. I shared my numbers with anyone. I don't have any ego. Yeah. I think I've asked them to ping me when they come back to my place. You know, come to Coorg, sometime ping me, and we can all hang out. I think connecting with new people, finding new people is gonna